In this video, we'll be discussing detachable domino basic structure and furniture connectors. Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank. As you can see, I've already prepared a few examples. Behind me, there's a large built-in cupboard, which can, of course, be disassembled. When you're moving house, it's very important that you can dismantle this large cupboard. I can use the DF 500 to do this. We've installed an 8mm cutter into the machine. I can use the domino jointer with the 8mm cutter to incorporate these small detachable connectors into the part of the cupboard. This is also available in a larger 32mm system. You probably see these small holes on the right-hand and left-hand sides of cupboards. These holes are where I can install these fittings. It's no problem at all if you're working with sheet material or small frame parts like our example on the floor. Some people may say that this could be glued and doesn't need to be able to be dismantled, but this helps with gluing. The design of the furniture often means that it can't be clamped, for example because it's round. The design of the furniture often means that it can't be clamped, for example because it's round. In this case, I can fit our small furniture connectors. As you can see, there's lots of options. As always with Festool, everything can be brought together in a single sustainer. This case contains all the parts needed to create various joints. Over the next few episodes, I'll show you how to make detachable series of drilled holes, center panel joints and corner joints. I hope you'll be watching. I'm looking forward to it. I'm Frank. Thanks for watching. See you next time.